Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you all are well. Today we are going to talk about the Quad Alliance and the AUKUS Alliance. So we'll talk about the comparison between these two alliances. But first, let us understand what is Quad and what is AUKUS. So I'll briefly explain what is Quad. So Quad actually stands for Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, and it is also known as the Indo-Pacific Quad. It is a dialogue, it is not a treaty. Here it is important to understand that it is a dialogue, not a treaty. Alright, and Quad stands for Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, and it is also known as the Indo-Pacific Quad. So basically Quad was formed in 2007, and this initiative was taken by the then Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. The Quad is composed of quads. Quad means 4 members. Those are India, Japan, US and Australia. So Quad is formed by these 4 member states. So as part of Quad, India, Japan, Australia and United States hold naval and military exercises as power show against China. They hold these exercises annually. So if we talk about the Quad's recent summits, so in 2021 in March, the Quad Virtual Summit was held in which Quad declared a shared vision for a free and open Indo-Pacific. And this summit was attended by the US President Joe Biden, Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison, Japanese PM Yoshihide Suga and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So मार्च में जो है मार्च 2021 में क्वाड समिट ऑर्गेनाइज किया था यूएस ने, जिसमें शिरकत की थी इंडिया के प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने, ऑस्ट्रेलिया के प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने, जापानीज प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने एंड यूएस प्रेसिडेंट जो बाइडन. इनका वर्चुअल समिट हुआ था. इट वाज नॉट हेल्ड इन पर्सन, इट वाज अ वर्चुअल समिट organized by US. So in that summit, they declared a joint statement and declared a shared vision for a free and open Indo-Pacific region. Other than that, in March 2021 Quad Summit, the 4 nations also agreed to establish special groups such as Climate Working Group, Vaccine Group, and Emerging Technology Group, among others. So basically, जब उनकी ये summit वर्चुअल summit हुआ था तो उन्होंने कहा कि they will also establish some groups as well because Quad has a broad-based agenda. ठीक है, it is not particularly a military alliance or a diplomatic alliance. It has a broad-based agenda. It also functions on global issues and some other diplomatic issues. So जो Quad है वो diplomatic issues के साथ साथ security issues के साथ साथ global issues पे भी काम करता है. So जब Quad की summit हुआ था मार्च 2021 में, उसमें जो क्वाड नेशंस हैं दे एग्री टू डेवलप और इस्टेब्लिश ग्रुप्स जो कि काम करेंगे क्लाइमेट पे या वैक्सीन पे काम करेंगे या फिर इमर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजी पे काम करेंगे. सो दे बेसिकली एग्री टू इस्टेब्लिश स्पेशल ग्रुप्स such as climate working group, a vaccine group and emerging technology group among some other groups as well. So moreover, if we talk about the recent Quad summit, so a recent Quad summit was held in person. वो in person हुई थी, US में हुई थी और it was organized by US President Joe Biden. So the recent in-person Quad summit was held in September 2021 in which heads of the 4 nations pledged to work together for ensuring peace and prosperity for Indo-Pacific region. और बाकी जो उन्होंने अपना डिसाइड किया था, उन्होंने अपना डिक्लेयर किया था कि a shared vision for a free and open Indo-Pacific region के हवाले से they said that they will work together to achieve this objective. Moreover, they also pledged to work together to ensure peace and prosperity for the Indo-Pacific region. So that's all basic information about Quad. So now let us know what is AUKUS. What is AUKUS Alliance or the AUKUS Pact or what is AUKUS Agreement. So basically AUKUS is a trilateral security deal signed between Australia, the UK and the United States. So it is, as you know, it is already said that it is a trilateral security deal, which means it is specifically said that it is a security deal. It is a deal that is mainly focused on security. So this deal was signed between Australia, the United Kingdom and the United States. So as per this deal, UK and the US have committed to help build, develop and deploy the nuclear-powered submarines in an effort to protect the Indo-Pacific region from China's dominance. So basically, unambiguously, जो AUKUS alliance है, this is an effort to contain China. ठीक है। इट इज़ अ सिक्योरिटी डील जो कि 3 कंट्रीज़ के बीच में साइन हुई है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, यूके एंड यूएस के बीच में साइन हुई है, जिसके अकॉर्डिंग जिसके अंडर यूके एंड यूएस जो है ऑस्ट्रेलिया को हेल्प करेंगे टू डेवलप एंड डिप्लॉय न्यूक्लियर पावर्ड सबमरीन्स, ठीक है। और ये एक अटैम्प्ट है चाइना को कंटेन करने का इन द रीजन, इन द इंडो पैसिफिक रीजन and in the South China Sea region. So, to be precise, AUKUS is basically a military alliance, and the AUKUS Pact was announced this year in September 2021. So, if we talk about the response of certain states, so it was welcomed by India and Japan, but it was badly condemned by China because China sees it as a part of USA's containment policy. So, इंडिया और जापान ने इस अलायंस को, इस ऑकस अलायंस को वेलकम किया, ठीक है, लेकिन चाइना ने इसे बहुत बुरी तरीके से कंडेम किया. सो इट वाज this AUKUS alliance was welcomed by several states because several states want the US and other powers to be involved in the region to counterbalance Beijing's growing power. But obviously some nations have reservations about purely military initiatives that could increase tensions or lead China to set up coercion against its neighbors. So वैसे तो काफ़ी states ने इस स्टेप को, इस AUKUS alliance को वेलकम किया है, लेकिन साथ ही साथ काफ़ी states ने अपने कंसर्न्स भी एक्सप्रेस किए हैं. उन कंसर्न्स को आगे रखा है कि हो सकता है कि इसको एज अ कंटेनमेंट मेजर देखते हुए चाइना जो है इस पे एग्रेसिवली रिएक्ट करे, और हो सकता है कि इसकी वजह से रीजन में टेंशन्स इंक्रीज़ हों, और ये भी हो सकता है कि चाइना जो है उनके साथ और ज़्यादा एग्रेसिव तरीके के साथ रीजन में उभरे, जिसकी वजह से जो उसके नेबरिंग कंट्रीज़ हैं उस पर एक एडवर्स इम्पैक्ट हो. सो सम बिलीव दैट इट कुड लीड टू इंक्रीज टेंशन्स इन द रीजन. So this was all about the basic information about the AUKUS alliance. So now let's talk about the difference, or let's compare AUKUS alliance with Quad. Let's know the differences between Quad and the AUKUS alliance in terms of the similarities and dissimilarities between these two alliances. Okay, now let's compare Quad and the AUKUS alliance. So the differences are that Quad stands for Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, and its members are quads, meaning 4. So it includes United States, India, Japan and Australia. So this quad is hence known as the Indo-Pacific Quad or Indo-Pacific Quadrilateral Alliance. Whereas AUKUS stands for Australia, United Kingdom and the United States, and it is basically a trilateral military alliance, or you can say that AUKUS is a trilateral security alliance. So its members, as the name suggests, are Australia, United Kingdom and United States. This was the basic difference between Quad and AUKUS. Now, if we talk about the agenda of Quad and AUKUS, then the agenda of Quad functions on the agenda of a free and open Indo-Pacific. And this agenda was defined in this year's Quad Summit, virtual summit that was held in March 2021. जिसमें के हेड्स ऑफ स्टेट्स, जो इन चारों कंट्रीज़ के हेड्स ऑफ स्टेट्स हैं, उन्होंने वर्चुअल मीटिंग की. तो उसमें उन्होंने एजेंडा डिफाइन किया था क्वाड का, दैट इज़ अ फ्री एंड ओपन इंडो पैसिफिक. दिस इज़ एन अटेम्प्ट टू काउंटर चाइना इन द इंडो पैसिफिक. Although they do not say this explicitly, but it is implied that this is an effort of these 4 nations to counterbalance China in the Indo-Pacific. So whereas the agenda of Quad, AUKUS has laid down its agenda to strengthen military ties to protect Indo-Pacific region from China's dominance. So AUKUS is about the strengthening of military ties between Australia and the UK and the United States. So because इन तीनों countries का ये एम है, ये एक एजेंडा है कि थ्रू मिलिट्री स्ट्रेंथ एंड एक्सपेंडिंग मिलिट्री टाइज दे वांट टू प्रोटेक्ट द इंडो पैसिफिक रीजन फ्रॉम द चाइनाज डोमिनेंस. सो जब वो ऑब्वियसली मिलिट्री स्ट्रेंथ को अपनी इंक्रीज कर लेंगे इन द इंडो पैसिफिक रीजन, देन इट विल बी ईजियर फॉर देम टू चैलेंज चाइना इन द इंडो पैसिफिक region and the South China Sea and curtail the Chinese influence in the Indian Ocean. So that's the aim behind this AUKUS alliance. So the idea is that broadly focused agenda of both the alliances is to counter China's ascendancy as superpower and to curtail Chinese expansionism. So चाहे कोई explicitly कहे या ना कहे, but दोनों जो alliances हैं, दोनों का जो ulterior motive है, जो एक एम है, that is to counterbalance Chinese influence and to curtail Chinese expansionism. So these are the ulterior motives behind the stated agendas of the Quad and the AUKUS alliance. So अगर हम ऊपर से apparently कहें तो दोनों के एजेंडाज थोड़े डिफरेंट हैं, बट उनका जो ulterior aim है that is the same. So this is the similarity between Quad and AUKUS alliance, that is that they both want to achieve this objective of containing China in the Indo-Pacific region. So now if we talk about some major differences between Quad and AUKUS, then Quad is basically a diplomatic alliance among the 4 Indo-Pacific nations. This is not a military alliance. जैसा कि AUKUS एक military alliance है, उस तरह Quad is not a military alliance. ठीक है, it is basically a diplomatic alliance जो कि फॉर्म हुई है among 4 countries. ठीक है, that is Australia, US, Japan and India. ठीक है, on the other hand, AUKUS is a military alliance. It is unambiguously a military alliance that is established by Australia, UK and USA. Moreover, if we talk about the focus of Quad and AUKUS, then Quad focuses on diplomatic and global issues along with the security issues. ठीक है, जो Quad का जो मकसद है, जो फोकस है, that is on diplomatic issues as well as the global issues. साथ में it also addresses the security concerns of these 4 nations. ठीक है, just as in Quad Virtual Summit of 2022, they discussed the issues of global concerns such as COVID-19 and climate change and distribution of vaccines. ठीक है, so इन इश्यूज़ को डिस्कस करना इज सजेस्टिव ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट जो Quad है उसका फोकस है दैट इज़ ऑफ डिप्लोमेटिक एज वेल एज ग्लोबल इश्यूज़. ठीक है, वो डिप्लोमेटिक इश्यूज़ को भी एड्रेस करता है, ग्लोबल इश्यूज़ को भी एड्रेस करता है, और जो नेशंस की सिक्योरिटी कंसर्न्स हैं उनको भी एड्रेस करता है Quad. जबकि AUKUS primarily focused on the security and military situation in the Indo-Pacific and specifically to curtail Chinese influence in the Indian Ocean. So यहाँ पर हम ये बात कह सकते हैं कि Quad का जो एम है दैट इज़ टू डिप्लोमेटिकली एंड मिलिटरीली काउंटर चाइना, जबकि AUKUS का जो फोकस है दैट इज़ टू मिलिटरीली curtail Chinese influence in the region. All right, so this is the difference between these 2 alliances, that is AUKUS and Quad. इसके अलावा next difference is that Quad is said to function on multiple issues, जैसा कि including economic development and collaborations and security concerns and global affairs such as Afghanistan issue or the refugee crisis or the distribution of vaccines. ठीक है, तो Quad जो है that is focused or addresses, or you can say that it functions on various platforms of economic development and collaborations and security issues and global affairs. तो बेसिकली Quad जो है वो मुख्तलिफ प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे फंक्शन करता है, जबकि AUKUS इज ओनली अबाउट मिलिट्री डेवलपमेंट्स in the form of agreement under which UK and USA are bound to help Australia in developing nuclear powered submarines. ठीक है, so AUKUS का जो मेन फोकस है that is just military developments. So इसमें इस पैक्ट के तहत जो है ऑस्ट्रेलिया की हेल्प करेंगे UK and US, और इसकी हेल्प करेंगे कि वो डेवलप और डिप्लॉय कर सके न्यूक्लियर पावर्ड सबमरीन्स को in order to challenge China in the region. All right. इसके अलावा अगर हम स्पेसिफिकली AUKUS और Quad को देखें तो AUKUS is a trilateral pact signed by UK, US and Australia. ठीक है, and the aim is unambiguous. Their aim is unambiguous, and that is that they are unequivocal about the containment of China. ठीक है, although they denied that this AUKUS is signed to counter China, but it is obvious that UK, US and Australia are collaborating in an effort to contain China in the Indo-Pacific region. ठीक है, whereas Quad operates on agenda of protecting and serving the shared interests of the member states. Moreover, Quad nations seek to counter China militarily and diplomatically in the South China Sea. So ये थे AUKUS और Quad के बीच some major differences or a few similarities. So the point is कि one is a purely military alliance and the other is a diplomatic alliance that also addresses the security issues and concerns of the nations. ठीक है, and the ulterior aim and motive is the containment of China in the Indian Ocean and also in the Indo-Pacific region and the South China Sea. And if we talk about recent talks, तो recently ये question raise हुआ था कि क्या AUKUS में इंडिया को भी इंक्लूड किया जाएगा. So US ruled out कि there is no room for the inclusion of India and Japan into the AUKUS alliance. So AUKUS is a different और a distinct alliance, ठीक है. और उसमें जो है फ़िलहाल ऐसा कोई US ने फ़िलहाल ऐसा कोई चांस नहीं है कि AUKUS में इंडिया और जापान को इंक्लूड किया जाएगा. ऑलराइट, सो AUKUS is basically half of the Quad, 50% of the Quad. मीन्स के जो क्वाड में दो नेशंस मौजूद हैं, यूएस एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया, दोज आर टुगेदर इन ऑकस. सो ऑकस इज़ बेसिकली 50% ऑफ द क्वाड. मोरोवर, अगर आप ऑकस अलायंस पे एक डिटेल वीडियो देखना चाहते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ ऑकस अलायंस एंड व्हाट आर इट्स इम्प्लीकेशंस फॉर द रीजन, फॉर चाइना, फॉर यूएस एंड फॉर द एंटायर रीजन, इसके अलावा उस पर चाइना का क्या रिस्पॉन्स रहा और फ्रांस का क्या रिस्पॉन्स रहा, तो उस पर मेरी एक अलग से वीडियो है. अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं तो आई विल गिव द लिंक इन डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो. जस्ट चेक इट आउट. फॉर नाउ दैट्स ऑल. आई होप इट हेल्प्ड. If it helped, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.